All right, moving on to our phonics work for today. Remember, today's day 3, Wednesday, and you will need your My Word Study book for our phonics work today. All right, and we're focused in on page 21. It's an article called The Highest Court. And I'm wondering, do you know what the highest court in the United States of America is? All right, if you said the Supreme Court, you would be correct. All right, this article is an informational text about the highest court, which is the Supreme Court. All right, so we're reading this article to gather information. So while you're reading, I'm going to have you underline words and phrases that help you answer this first question. What is the role of the Supreme Court? Okay, so what is the role, or what job is the Supreme Court in charge of? You're going to underline details. The second question, how are Supreme Court justices selected? All right, that's the question that you're going to answer in the space at the bottom of your paper. Okay, now this third question, all right, is really connecting your opinion with the facts that you just read. And we're going to answer this third question in Cami. It says, do you think the motto, equal justice under the law, is a good motto for the Supreme Court? Why or why not? All right, so like always, I'll post these questions in Schoology. Just remember, first one, you'll find the answer by underlining in your text. The second one, you'll write on your paper or answer on your paper. And the third one will be a Cami document in Schoology. All right, nice work today.